ISO/IEC 42001 2023. Is your organization ready for AI governance? In last we discussed part 1 for this. Now part 2, understanding AI governance and ISO/IEC 42001 2023. In last video you can see part 1. This is for part 2 now. Hello everyone, welcome back to part 2 of our special series on ISO/IEC 42001 2023 Artificial Intelligence Management System, presented by URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. In part 1 we discussed how artificial intelligence is transforming every industry while introducing new risks related to privacy, cybersecurity, ethics, bias, intellectual property and regulatory compliance. Today we answer one of the most important questions facing business leaders. What exactly is AI governance and how can organizations implement it effectively? The answer lies in the world's first international AI management system standard, ISO/IEC 42001 2023. Let us explore why this standard is becoming the global benchmark for responsible artificial intelligence. What is AI governance? Many organizations believe AI governance simply means controlling AI software. In reality, it is much broader. AI governance is the framework of policies, processes, responsibilities, controls, and oversight that ensures artificial intelligence is safe, ethical, transparent, secure, reliable, explainable, accountable, compliant with applicable laws and regulations. AI governance ensures that AI systems continue to create value while minimizing risk throughout their entire life cycle. From planning and development to deployment, operation, monitoring, maintenance, and retirement, every stage of AI requires effective governance. Organizations that establish strong AI governance build greater trust among customers, regulators, investors, employees, and society. Why ISO/IEC 42001 was developed? Until recently, organizations had no internationally accepted management system specifically designed for artificial intelligence. Companies were implementing AI using different approaches without a common governance framework. Recognizing this growing need, ISO and IEC jointly developed ISO/IEC 42001 2023 Artificial Intelligence Management System. This standard provides organizations with a systematic approach for establishing AI policies, managing AI risks, defining responsibilities, ensuring ethical AI, monitoring AI performance, continually improving AI systems. Just as ISO 9001 governs quality management, ISO 14000 governs environmental management, ISO 45000 governs occupational health and safety, ISO/IEC 27001 governs information security. ISO/IEC 42001 governs artificial intelligence management. Who should implement ISO/IEC 42001? One common misconception is that this standard is only for software companies. This is not true. ISO/IEC 42001 is applicable to organizations of all sizes and sectors that develop, provide, or use AI systems. Examples include manufacturing industries, automotive companies, healthcare organizations, banks, insurance companies, IT companies, cloud service providers, government organizations, educational institutions, research organizations, telecommunication companies, retail businesses, logistic companies, e-commerce platforms, and energy companies, defense organizations. Even organizations using AI tools such as ChatGPT, Microsoft Copilot, AI-powered ERP systems, intelligent chatbots, or AI-based quality inspection systems can benefit from structured AI governance. Structure of ISO/IEC 42001. Like other ISO management system standards, ISO/IEC 42001 follows the harmonized structure. Major clauses include Clause 4, Context of the organization, Clause 5, Leadership, Clause 6, Planning, Clause 7, Support, Clause 8, Operation, Clause 9, Performance Evaluation, Clause 10, Improvement. This familiar structure makes integration easier with ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001, ISO/IEC 27001, ISO/IEC 27701, ISO 31000, Organizations already certified to ISO management systems can integrate AI governance efficiently. Now, key requirements of ISO/IEC 42001. The standard requires organizations to establish an artificial intelligence management system covering several important areas. These include AI policy, AI objectives, roles and responsibilities, AI risk management, life cycle management, human oversight, data governance, AI performance monitoring, incident management, controls improvement, competence and awareness, documented information. Each of these requirements contributes to responsible AI implementation. Now, AI risk management. Risk management forms the foundation of ISO/IEC 42001. Organizations must identify AI specific risks before deploying AI systems. Examples include incorrect AI predictions, cybersecurity threats, privacy breaches, bias, discrimination, model drift, hallucinations, regulatory violations, intellectual property risks, ethical concerns. Each identified risk should be evaluated based on likelihood, business impact, severity, legal implications. Appropriate controls should then be implemented to reduce these risks to acceptable levels. Now, human oversight. One of the most important principles of responsible AI is maintaining meaningful human oversight. AI should support human decision making, not completely replace it in a high risk situations. Organizations should define who reviews AI decisions, who approves AI outputs, when should humans intervene, how are AI recommendations verified. This prevents blind reliance on AI generated results. The next is data governance. Artificial intelligence is only as good as the data used to train and operate it. Poor quality data results in poor quality AI. ISO/IEC 42001 emphasizes data quality, data accuracy, data integrity, data ownership, data security, and privacy protection. Organizations should establish controls throughout the data lifecycle. Please keep this in mind. Now, transparency and explainability. Customers increasingly expect AI decisions to be understandable. Organizations should be capable of explaining how AI reaches conclusions, what information influences the decision, non-limitations, confidence levels. Transparency builds customer trust while supporting regulatory compliance. Now, control and monitoring. AI systems evolve continuously, new data, changing environments, updated algorithms, changing regulations, all require ongoing monitoring. ISO/IEC 42001 requires organizations to periodically review AI performance and continuously improve governance controls. AI governance is therefore an ongoing management process, not a one-time project. Now, business benefits of ISO/IEC 42001. Organizations implementing ISO/IEC 42001 can achieve significant strategic advantages. These include greater stakeholder confidence, reduced AI-related risks, improved regulatory readiness, enhanced cyber security, better decision making, greater transparency, improved customer trust, better control over AI projects, reduced legal exposure, competitive market advantage, support for responsible innovation, improved corporate reputation. As global AI regulations continue to evolve, organizations with structured AI governance will be better positioned for sustainable growth. Now, the future of AI governance. It is serious. Artificial intelligence will continue transforming industries over the coming decades. However, organizations that succeed will not necessarily be those using the most AI. They will be those using AI responsibly. Responsible AI builds trust. Trust builds customers. Customers build business. ISO/IEC 42001 provides the management framework to achieve exactly that. Now, transition to part 3. In part 3 of this series, we will explore step-by-step implementation of ISO/IEC 42001, mandatory documentation information, internal audits, AI risk assessment, certification process, integration with ISO 9001 and ISO/IEC 27001. How URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited supports organizations with AI consulting, training, implementation, internal audits, and certification. You won't want to miss it. Thank you. Thank you for watching. If you found this video valuable, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more professional content on ISO standards, artificial intelligence, information security, quality management, and global compliance. Thank you. For AI governance, consulting, implementation, training, internal audits, gap assessments, and certification support, please contact us. Please contact URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Our email ID is info@urgsiso.com. Our mobile number is +91 73 59 45 8455. This is our WhatsApp number also. See you in part 3, where we will take you through the practical implementation and certification journey of ISO/IEC 42001 2023. Thank you.